Welcome to Product Critique, your trusted source for in-depth reviews of top-rated products. In today's video, we're exploring what is easily the best electric infrared 1500W wall-mounted patio heater on the market, the DR Infrared Heater Drive 238 Carbon Infrared Outdoor Heater. Whether you're trying to warm up your patio, garage, restaurant space, or even your backyard deck, this heater offers an efficient, stylish, and powerful solution. Let's start with the first thing you'll notice, the build. The DR 238 has a sleek, black finish and a slim cabinet-style form factor that blends easily into almost any outdoor or semi-outdoor setting. It's built from weatherproof aluminum, giving it the durability to handle both indoor and outdoor conditions without compromising on looks or performance. The versatility of this heater is another standout feature. It's IP55 approved, which means it's rated for both indoor and outdoor use. So whether you're looking to extend your evenings outdoors or provide extra heat inside a garage or workshop, this device is up to the task. Now, let's talk about the heating performance. This unit delivers clean, instant, and odorless infrared heat. Unlike traditional heaters that take a while to warm up the space, this one gets going almost instantly, creating a comfortable environment in seconds. It comes with 3 adjustable power settings, 900 watts, 1200 watts, and 1500 watts, so you can control the heat output based on your space and weather conditions. At full power, you're getting an impressive 5200 BTU per hour per foot per degree Fahrenheit, making it one of the most powerful in its category. Installation is simple and flexible. The DR 238 includes both wall and ceiling mounting brackets, allowing you to place it wherever heat coverage is needed most. Whether you want it high up on a restaurant wall or tucked under a patio awning, you've got options. What makes this heater stand out from the competition is the high-efficiency mirror aluminum reflector, which boasts up to 90% reflectivity. That means more heat is directed exactly where you want it, with minimal waste. The reflector design is tailored specifically to maximize the performance of the carbon infrared lamp, resulting in an even and concentrated warmth distribution. The plug-and-go design is another bonus. It runs on a standard 120 volts outlet, so there's no need for complicated wiring or installation. It even comes with a remote control, so you can adjust settings without having to leave your seat, perfect for restaurants or entertaining guests outdoors. And if you're concerned about energy efficiency or long-term costs, infrared heating is one of the most economical methods out there. Because it heats people and objects directly, rather than the air, you get maximum warmth without unnecessary power usage. If you're a homeowner looking to enjoy chilly nights outdoors, a restaurant owner needing to extend your outdoor dining season, or just someone who needs a reliable source of warmth in a semi-enclosed space like a garage, this is the heater you'll want. With over 5,000 ratings and a strong 4.3 out of 5 stars on Amazon, it's clear that customers are getting reliable performance from this model. And with a current price that's marked down about 30% from its original listing, it offers incredible value. That wraps up our detailed look at the DR Infrared Heater DR 238. If you're ready to make your patio, garage, or restaurant space more comfortable year-round, this is a solid investment. Be sure to check the link in the description for the latest pricing and availability. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss an honest, in-depth review. See you in the next one.